Hello again. It's time to put the car together. First of all, you may be wondering why this block looks around the corners. It's easy. You take a block. They have sharp corners. Here, where it says radius, there we go. It ended up being like a little pincushion. Just a little bit, and you get your rounded edge. Okay. We will do that for the wheel assembly. These are the tires. So I'm going to bevel it a little bit. There we go. It puts a little edge to the corner there. This one, I'll do just a small bit because he's going to go inside of this guy. And then to make this really looking good, I'm going to cut a hole out of here. So first we duplicate this one, which is Command D or Control D. Move him out. Okay, here we are. Now he's going to cut a hole into this guy. Alright, so move it inside that tire. Don't worry about the way it looks right now. Now let's go get a side view like that. If you have trouble navigating, you can click on this little gizmo here. So now we're in the right view. Okay. As you see, this is not quite, a little bit too big. Race cars are really fat tires. So let's shrink that down to 15. And then we need to change this one dimension to 15. So now it's circular. 17, that doesn't matter. Now to line them up, we shift click this one so both of them are selected. And here's the alignment tool. You should have seen this in your lesson. Let's click on it. The middle black center circles is what we want. 1. So now he's in line, and then this one, now he's in the middle there. Okay, now let's go back there. Good. Now click on the inside. Use your arrow key in your keyboard, the right arrow, to pull it out a bit. If it doesn't work, you have to check this down here, the snap grid. I want to use 0.25. Okay, let's. Oh, you still in alignment. Let's click out first. There we go. Now pull it out a bit. Use the arrow key. Now, if you don't know how far you shoved it in, let's take it all the way out first. So you're gonna put it a quarter of the way in. How about that? There you go. Alright. Get back the side view. We have to make this into a hole because we're going to cut a shape out of it. So we click this one. Now this circle is a hole. This, then select the back part and group. Wait a second and it will disappear. Now you have a wheel, see, with the middle cut out, and that's the tire, the rubber. Alright, this guy is now going to go inside of him. So let's make sure we align it properly. He has to be a little bit outside. Alright, so group the two together, alignment tool, into the middle. There you go. And let's go this way, halfway up there. Okay, now you see he shows up inside here, which is good. Now again, he's a little bit too big, so let's click on that. Click on this. Okay, we're going to change the dimension to, let's say, 17, and then we'll change this dimension here. I need 17, 17. Perfect. So it's circular. Now the back, not really quite aligned. See? So we do it again. You know what to do. So click both objects, hit the alignment tool, and the middle is aligned, but the height is not. Right? The middle is aligned, but the height is not. So click this one. There we go. Now the height's aligned. Alright, that's one wheel. Of course, select the whole thing altogether and move it this way. A little bit out here. There you go. Now, car has 4 tires, obviously, 4 wheels. So we're going to duplicate this. There. Back, front. Select both of them. Duplicate. And move it over the other side. However, the spokes are facing this way. We need to go the other way. So we click on this handle here and we type 180. Now it's inverted the other way. Perfect. So let's get in the wheels. Now we're going to join these two parts together to make the cockpit. And remember how we align things up? Select this one first. Select this. Use the alignment. I only want the middle part to be aligned perfectly. There we go. Click out. Click this alone. Now only drag this one, because I only want it to move in the Z direction. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. There. That's what it looks like. There you go. Good. Okay, until next time, we will continue the assembly. Bye for now.